Alright guys, so it's the day after buying the Accord. Alright guys, so it's the day after buying this bad boy. Now down the unit and going to give it a good clean over. A full decontaminating wash, clay, polish, maybe even wax it. I'm not 100% sure whether I want to start using some wax on paint purely because there's some rust and stuff and some body work that I need to do on anyway. But yeah, it'd be nice to get this all cleaned up, interior and exterior. Okay, so before I start cleaning it, there's a few things I need to sort out, like taking my bike and a few other things out of the inside. Ooh, look at that. Taking all these tools that I had with me yesterday out, and also it had a spoiler on it. I've taken that off to reveal a load of rust and holes and horrible stuff. So I just need to sort that out before I start jet washing it and all that business. So yeah, I think that'll sort it. It's kind of a colour match. Yeah, I'll just do the other ones then.
Man, I love this shit. Yo, I love this shit. Man, I love this shit. Hey, yo, I love this shit.
Okay, so it's quite warm and sunny outside. So I'm not going to spend too long washing it outside because I don't want it all to start drying on the paint and doing all that business. I did give it a wash off yesterday evening, only with a hose, bucket and sponge to get some of the mould that was sitting on like the bumper down here and that off. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a quick jet wash off, maybe a bit of pre-cleaner on there, maybe some snow foam, and jet washing the arches and that I think as well. But other than that, the car's actually okay, and I thought as I'm going to clay it and polish it and all of that, it should be alright.
Man, I love this shit. Yo, we love this shit. Man, we live this shit. Yeah. This shit right here, here. This, that fire, put it in the air. This shit right here, here. This, that fire, put it in the air. This shit right here, here. This, that fire, put it in the air. This shit right here, here. This'll get you higher than Buzz Lightyear. This shit right here. This, that fire, put it in the air. This shit right here, here. This, that fire, put it in the air. This shit right here, here. This, that fire, put it in the air. This shit right here. This'll get you higher than Buzz Lightyear.
Cool, so I've got the Accord in the back of the workshop now after cleaning it. What I'm going to do now is go over it with some built hammer clay. What this is going to do is remove any sort of tar and other sort of stubborn build up from the roads. So the reason why I'm using the clay is you can see here there's these little bits, all these dark spots. Now they are the build up from tar and other stuff like that. Really stubborn to get off. You know, it's very hard to get it off with just conventional jet washing and using a sponge and stuff like that. So this is why we use the clay. Now, just spray some water on there. And just keep rubbing it at a circular motion when you can actually feel like it's gripping, and then once it all starts to get rid of all that grime and build up, it starts to feel a bit smoother. Cool, so that's got rid of a great deal of it. As you can see, hopefully on there, it's a lot darker now, and that's all the tar and stuff that's built up on it. So yeah, I'm going to carry on and do the rest of the whole car, which I think is going to take quite a while because there seems to be a lot on it, because I don't think this is ever really properly cleaned. So yeah.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone. I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie. Don't cry my heart, don't wanna die. Keep the pistol on my side. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. We ain't stressing about the loot. My block made a quesadilla. This not the molly, this the boot. Ain't no coming back from here. Live a life a lot familiar. It's so much gain that I can't see it. Yeah. Turn it up till they can't hear. Running around for the thrill. Yeah, dog, run my reel. Raw, I've been pouring to the real. Nah, then I'm back of the veil. Gorgeous, baby, keep me hard and still. This my life, I did not choose. Been on this since we was kids. Gon' stay on top and break the rules. I fill my mind up with ideas. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here.